Hey guys, welcome to AC Technical. In this video, I will show you how to find your Windows 11 product key using PowerShell and then explain how to check what type of license you have and whether you can transfer it to another computer. Let's start with finding your product key. Press Windows plus X and select Windows PowerShell as admin. Now type this command and then press enter. If your PC has embedded OEM product key in the BIOS or UEFI, it will show up here. If it comes back blank, that means your system is using a digital license instead of a traditional product key. Note: on newer Windows 11 builds, get-wmi object is being phased out. So instead, use this command. And then hit enter. Next, let's figure out what kind of license you actually have. Open command prompt as administrator and type slmgr //dli and press enter. Now you will get a small pop-up window with license details. If you see OEM, this means that the key is only tied to a computer, not transferable. If you see retail, which means the key is transferable, you can move it to another PC, but only one at a time. But if you see volume, MAC or KMS, it means for organizations. Rules depend on their agreements. If you have got a retail license, here's how to move it. Step 1. Remove the license from your old PC. Run this command in command prompt as administrator. slmgr /upk and then hit enter. This uninstalls the key. For extra safety, also clear it from the registry. So type slmgr /cpky and then hit enter. Step 2. Install the key on your new PC. Run this command in command prompt as administrator. slmgr /ipk your product key. Replace this with your actual product key and then hit enter. In command prompt type slmgr /atu and then press enter. That forces activation through Microsoft servers. If your Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account, you don't even need the key. Just sign in to your new PC with the same Microsoft account. Then go to Settings. After that, go to System. Now go to Activation. And next go to Troubleshoot. Then click on I changed hardware on this device. Now pick your old PC from the list and Windows will reactivate your license automatically. This only works if your original license was a retail key. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.